In this video, I'm going to show you how to download DaVinci Resolve for free. DaVinci Resolve is a professional video editor used by Hollywood studios. The free version has no time limits or watermarks. Let's get straight into it. Step 1. You go to your browser and search for DaVinci Resolve up to down and click on the page link. Step 2. The page shows the latest version, currently DaVinci Resolve 21.0.0.48. Step 3. You click the download button. The file is about 3.32 gigabytes and comes as a zip file. I have already downloaded it, so I will continue to extraction. Step 4. Extract the zip file and run the installer. Step 5. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. That's it. You're ready to start editing. That's how you download DaVinci Resolve for free using up to down. If you liked this video, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.